Hi, how are you? Today we're going to talk about warehouse registration in Cargolink system. To do it, go to Export, select Warehouse, and click on New button. System will show a window for registering the new warehouse receipt. Set the airway bill number, which we're going to work with. If the airway bill has not a turn ticket, this message will appear and we won't be able to register the warehouse. Let's take an airway bill that does have a turn ticket. If we know the houseway bill that corresponds to this warehouse receipt, we can set it, but it's not mandatory. In origin, system will bring the city where we are located, in this case, Miami. In destination, we must set the airway bill's destination. Status is a mandatory field. Usually we're going to set local, but we also can choose inbound transfer, COMAT, or GSA. I will set local. Also, we can set shipper. We can look for the shipper by clicking on this button. Look for the shipper. We can look by name, by address, by city, by code, or by base. I will search by name. Click on search button or enter, and shippers with that name will appear. Here we have two. I will choose the first one, double click. If we want to see more shippers information, click on this button, and we have address, city, country, state, phone, and more information. In the same way, we will follow the same steps to look for a consignee. It's not mandatory to select shipper or consignee, but for the example, I will make it. We choose this one. Here it doesn't have information. Then, if the shipper or consignee we're looking for doesn't exist, we can create it. In this case, I will create a consignee. For example, and system says, data not found. Do you want to create a new one? Say yes. System will bring the window to the creation of consignees. And save. We close here, and then when we look for, here is our new consignee created. At the right side, we'll find some cargo characteristics. We can check on the necessary ones. For example, let's say, with documents, hazmat is dangerous goods, animal leaf, or perishables. I will choose animal leaf, and in nature of goods, NOG, we can set information about the cargo, for example, dogs. If we know in which pallet is going this cargo, we can also set it. It's not mandatory. Then, press F2 button to add a line to set the pieces or group of pieces for this airway bill. Here it is. Register the pieces, the packing, the weight, the dimensions, length, width, height. Volume is automatically calculated from the dimensions, discount if any, location, and a note if we want it. For example, test. we're on one of the lines and press F9, we'll have the option of set subdetails that includes different pieces and dimensions. Pressing F2, we can set the subdetails. Complete the subdetails and close. System will show total pieces and volume of what we've set. Then, complete the other information, if necessary. Once all information has been set, click on Save button, press Ctrl F11 to save and finish, or press Ctrl plus F12 to save and register another warehouse receipt. I will press this button. When saved, System will show a window to print directly to the printer. We can make some changes about printing and paper. Click on OK. And at the time we print the physical document, System will save the warehouse receipt ticket. When finished, we can press Ctrl plus F3 to keep registering in warehouse or close the application. I will close the application. If we need to search a warehouse receipt that's been already registered, double-click on Warehouse, and search window will be shown. We can search by code, by airway bill number, or by agent. I will look by airway bill number. Then search, and here is the airway bill I'm looking for. We can open it with double click and see the information registered in. If the warehouse registered is wrong and we need to correct it, we must delete it and register it again. In this case, I will take this Airway Bills warehouse and press delete button. This one. System will ask if we are sure. I want to say yes. And also ask if we want to print the return to customer document. And we also select yes. Here the system will show us a printing window. Press OK. Here there are the properties of the printer. OK. At the time the system is printing in the printer the returning of the warehouse, it will be marked as void and won't be valid anymore. And that's all about registering and canceling warehouse. Thank you for watching this video.